This is a 1958 Chevy Cameo pickup truck. Chevy made the full-size Cameo line from 1955 through 1958. Sales were never tremendously high, I think mainly because of the cost of the truck. Lots of chrome work has been done here under the hood. It looks very, very nice. They continued the Cameo name on an S10 Chevy package unit for 3 years from 58 on. This is an example of Chip Foose's wheels, which really highlight the truck, make it really attractive. General Motors had a version of the Cameo also, and they called it the Suburban Carrier. I have never seen one of those, however. Notice the dash, the gauges are all special updated versions. We've got every convenience here. Great looking seat there. Looks very comfortable. A lot of work has been done on this truck. Now we check out the bed of the truck. And that looks exceptional too. I think it embodied the realization that there could definitely be some money made in making customized pickup trucks. And the trend was set that trucks could be really luxurious vehicles rather than just utilitarian ones.